number 1. Ito po yung ating number 1. Negative 5 plus negative 3. To add integers with the same sign, we need to add the number and copy the sign. Ganun lang po. I-add muna natin yung number and then kakopy natin yung sign. Tingnan niyo po kung paano. So, add the number. 5 plus 3 is 8. Copy the sign. Since ito ay both negative, we just copy the sign. So, the answer is negative 8. Ito na po yung ating final answer. Next is number 2. Ito po yung ating number 2. 4 plus 2 or positive 4 plus positive 2. Again, to add integers with the same sign, we're going to add the number and copy the sign. So, add the number muna. 4 plus 2 is 6. So, since ito ay both positive, copy lang natin yung sign niya. Positive. Pero yung positive sign, hindi na po natin yan nilalagay. Automatic na po yan. Pag walang nakalagay na sign, siya po ay positive. So, ito na po yung ating answer. Next is number 3. Ito po yung ating number 3. Negative 1 plus negative 8. Again, to add integers with the same sign, you just need to add the numbers and copy the sign. So, i-add muna natin yung number. 1 plus 8 is 9. Ngayon, since sila ay both negative, copy the sign. Ganun lang po. Ito na po yung ating sagot. Negative 9. Next is number 4. Ito po yung ating number 4. Positive 5 plus positive 3 plus positive 10. Again, the same lang po sila ng sign. Puro sila positive. So, ang una natin gagawin, we just add the numbers. 5 plus 3. Ilan yung 5 plus 3? 8. Then, 8 plus 10 is 18. And then, copy the sign which is positive. So, hindi na natin nilalagay. So, the answer is positive 18.